All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my video on my channel too as well. Today I am going to show you, okay, I'm in the Jeep Cherokee 2016. I'm going to show you where the controls are for switching in from snow mode, sport mode, and sand/mud mode. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm sitting in my car, the car's on park. I am going to look down to the center console. Do you see this? Do you see this right here? It says select terrain. Okay, so right now it's in auto, so it automatically detects the terrain. But if I want to change it, I go to just turn the knob and it goes to snow. And you can see right here on the instrument panel, it shows it's going to snow mode. All right, if I go back down here, turn it one more time, it goes to sport mode. All right, you see it shows on the instrument panel sport mode. And if I want to go back down to here, it goes to sand and mud mode. Look at that, sand and mud mode. Look at that. All right, that's how you switch between snow, sport, sand, and mud mode. Let me know if you have any questions.